In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock your microphone in Google Meet. We'll walk through each step together to ensure you can communicate seamlessly during your meetings. Whether you're using a desktop or a laptop, these steps will guide you through the process without any hiccups. Let's dive right in. First, let's head over to Google. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the main page of Google. You should easily find it by typing Google into the address bar if it's not already set as your home page. This is your starting point for accessing Google Meet. Next, once you're on the Google homepage, look closely at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a grid-like icon, often referred to as the Google Apps icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will display a drop-down list of various Google applications available to you. In the drop-down menu, scroll through the options until you spot Google Meet. Click on it to open Google Meet in your browser. This step is straightforward and takes you directly to where you can start your meeting or join one. When you're in Google Meet, find and click on the New Meeting button. Usually, this is prominently displayed on the landing page, making it easy to locate. After clicking on New Meeting, you'll see various options to initiate a meeting. For now, simply click on Start an Instant Meeting. This option allows you to immediately create a meeting room without any complex setup. At this point, you might notice a small microphone icon appears somewhere near the bottom of your video window, likely with a slash through it, indicating that your microphone is blocked. Click on this blocked microphone icon to start the process of unblocking it. You will then see a prompt that says Use Microphone. Click on this option. This step is crucial as it allows your browser to access your microphone hardware, enabling audio transmission when you're speaking. A small notice should then appear asking for permission to use your microphone while visiting the site. Click on Allow while visiting the site. This authorization is needed for your browser to enable the microphone for this specific meeting session. And that's it. You should now see that the microphone icon no longer has a slash through it, indicating that it's unblocked and ready for use. Your microphone should now be fully operational, and your voice can be transmitted clearly in your Google Meet session. By following these instructions, you'll ensure your microphone is unblocked and functional, allowing you to participate actively in all your meetings without any tech-related disruptions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.